we have one last show in
Last
Vancouver.
show.
Have you rested? Because every day we've been flying 3 days in a row. When I woke up kanina, oh my God. Then I said, ay, walang flight.
Then, nung bumaba ako nga, galing sa plane, nag-land kami dito, binaba ko maleta ko, naglakad na ako sa beach.
Kako kagabi.
Miss ko na.
Ikaw earlier, no?
Miss ko na ang beach. So, sa beach ako kanina. Alright.
Yan. Ay, the light
Ayan,
there.
yan.
Ako kagabi, naglakad kami nila Nancy. So, after this, we'll have at least 2 days to rest
Yes, and then we do a show again.
in Vancouver. Then we go home. And
Yes.
finally, we will fly home together.
At magkita-kita na lang ho tayo sa ating mga ginawang o kayo, mga ginawa nilang mga clippings, nalagay nila sa YouTube, sa Instagram, para naman maalala nyo kami even when the
Yes.
shows are over.
Yes, and we go back to our real lives.
Yes.
We'll have fond memories of you and this tour.
But we're already making plans.
Yes, we have many plans for all of you, our fans. So, abangan nyo na lang po yun.
It's gonna be fun.
Yes.
So, walang iwanan.
Yes.
Babalik
And we
tayo.
love you very much. Thank you for never leaving us. Kahit
Yes.
kami laging magkasabay ginagawa ng work.
Sundan po ninyo yung kanyang Instagram because meron siyang mga linagay doon. Meron din ako mga linagay sa
Right.
aking Instagram.
And
That's
thank you.
very memorable.
And thank you to all our fans who just always edit. And they're so cute. We see them. We just don't have the time to really go through each and every one and thank you all. But thank you so much. We love you.
So much. We love you. Take care because...
See you Hawaii
Okay,
later.
bye-bye. See
We
you
love